Hey guys, welcome to my installation tutorial for Manga restoration. This video is going to teach you how to install this onto your Windows computer. And yeah, let's get started. I already forked a version where I have a clear instruction, so I'll not be linking the official GitHub, but instead my copy down in the description, so there won't be any confusions. Yeah, so first you need to have Anaconda installed. And yeah, you just basically go to this link, download Anaconda, or you can press here Anaconda. And we basically had to find a place to install your codes, so it'll be in my tutorial folder here. And then we want to clone it, clone the codes. The easiest way is download the codes. I'm gonna just create a folder called Manga Restoration under my tutorial folder, and then you go in, and then you just come here, code, download zip, and then you click on this, and then you unzip it, or you can just drag it, it will just unzip it automatically for you. And yeah, and after that's unzip, you'll see all these files. Create a folder called release_model. So I already created one, so you're gonna go into this one. You need to download the pre-trained models, so copy this link and then download this file. And then you want to unzip this, and then you drag basically this folder into here. And then if you go into this folder, you'll see these three files are here, and you're fine. So yeah, now we need to set up the Conda environment. Let's open up your Anaconda prompt. You go to the file location where you have all these files at, and then you want to copy this file directory. And then you type in cd and then paste your file directory. And if you're on a different disk, you have to switch your disk so you can see the changes will be made like this. The next thing you want to do is to create Conda environment. You basically copy this, paste here, proceed, and then Conda activate. This activates your environment, and now we can install all the dependencies inside here. So if you're on non-30 series GPU, you have to use this command, and if you're on 30 series NVIDIA GPU, you have to go on this command. And if you're gonna use CPU only, I'll add this later. There's a CPU only command. So if you don't have NVIDIA graphics card, you have to use CPU only command. So I'm just gonna start with this one. Alright, after that is installed, here, install dependencies. We already did this step at the very start, so we just need to copy this next one. And after that is done, if next time you want to use this Conda environment again, you just basically activate this environment. You don't need to install anything else because you already have that environment set up. And now we can move on to testing. Okay, so now we have to create a folder called data_zip manga1 test and flist manga1. So we create data_zip and go into data_zip, create a folder manga1. And create a folder called test. And go back to the base folder, you create flist manga1. Yeah, so place your test images under data_zip manga1 test. So every time you run this, you need 2 images as input for some reason. I'm not too sure why. It's probably because how it's coded or whatever. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put these 2 images here, and these are manga panels I took screenshot from, and then we run this command basically. And then after that is finished running, this generates a test.flist for your test images. So every time you want to use new input, you have to put this in this folder, put images in this folder, run this command, then run this. And then yeah, you'll get your results very quickly. There you go, it's done. It's gonna be under Manga Restoration. Oops. Release model. This folder and results real, and then you can see these 2 are the results. This is the result. You can see that it looks much more sharper And I would say choppier, you know. The original looks like this. Just the upscaled original. I don't know if you can tell the difference. So, yeah, so that's it. So if you want to run your images, same thing. You gotta run this one on those new images first, then run this command. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you like what I'm doing, consider supporting me on my Patreon. And yeah, check out my main video if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.